What's up, 400 World? What's up, all of the Bronco lovers out there? Today we're in Springfield, Missouri, as per usual, and we're at this cruise-in. Long story short, ran into this guy, Josh. He's got a, what do you got behind us here?
78 Ford Bronco.
Now, they only made these from...
This body style is 78, 79.
78, so it's actually more rare, I would say, than the previous body styles, and you know, because it's...
Yeah.
The ones we know ended in 77.
Yeah, the smaller ones ended in 77.
And then after this, how many years did they run those?
I think the last production Bronco was 96.
96, jeez. So this thing's pretty rust-free. I mean, have you done anything to it, or did you find it as is?
Well, actually, I got it from a buddy of mine, Jason Harden. I think his mom and dad bought it in the early 80s, I believe. And it was his mom's, from what I gathered, his mom's daily driver.
Cool mom.
Yeah.
Heck
they
yeah.
own Terry's Towing here in Springfield. Give them a plug. Great folks. Super nice.
Support local companies.
Yeah. When I got it off, Jason sold it to a guy, and I got it from him. 460. It had the lift and everything. Really, the only thing I've done to it is I changed the wheels and tires, and I had a bunch of rust repair done on it. It's still got a little bit. But
oh, did you? Okay. It looks pretty solid. I mean, like they did a good job meshing the paint in then, if they did.
Yeah. Actually, from the doors forwards, all original paint. And
really?
Back is new paint. Another plug, Retrobuild Motors out of Nixa done all the body work. So,
really?
Buddy of mine, Clinton White and Bo Brand.
Oh yeah. Does he still own what is it?
Retrobuild?
Yeah, Retrobuild?
Yeah, they still own Retrobuild.
Okay. He's the guy that did, well, a lot of them have done it, but he's around here and probably further than here. He's known for doing the new old Mustang, old new Mustangs. Which I'm a big fan of, because you look at him, you're like, oh, that's a 1960. Yeah. No, it's not, you know. And but yet you got all the classic, you know, stuff of
and they just done
cruise control.
They just done the Bullet, reclone the Bullet car.
That's
to the new
cool.
Car. And since they just found the original Bullet car, they're trying to get them paired up, and I don't know how that's going. But
so this thing has been done right, it sounds like, by Clint. My dad had a car done, that Fairlane, by Clint. We're real happy with it and everything. That's pretty cool. Now, is there anything special on this that sets it apart from anything else? Like what engine, like what stuff like that?
It's 460. I think it's I can't remember the specs on it. Jason told me.
Yeah.
It's nothing real spectacular, just a small cam. It's got fender well exit headers.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I saw. Yeah. Hard to miss those with that lift. I mean, did 460s come in this?
I don't believe so. I think the biggest engine you could get in these was like a 400.
I'm sure some
400.
Bronco lover is going to correct us in some way.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
That's for sure.
And that's what's sad is I ought to know this, but I'm out of the loop so much.
Hey man, just enjoy it. You don't have to know the specs on it.
Yeah.
What I like is that it's really tall like you.
Yeah.
So it fits. It definitely looks like it can handle its own.
Yeah, it's ready big and loud.
Yeah, there you go. I love that. That's cool, man. I love this truck. You got another one though. Let's talk about it real quick. You got other Broncos, but you got a crew cab, right?
Yeah, I've got a 72 crew cab short bed, which I've had it out several times. It's kind of a coin toss of what we're going to drive for the night. It's actually in the shop.
Which one starts easiest, I guess?
Getting some much needed upgrades. So
like what? This is the crew cab.
I've already lowered it and everything, but I bought new drop beams for it. I'm going to put disc brakes on it.
Didn't it already have drop beams?
Yeah, I just bought new ones and just because
it was time. I guess. Bushings and stuff. Okay.
Yeah, I put new bushings and everything, disc brakes, and
of
course the beams I got in it are for drum brakes only. So
I didn't know there was a difference. It has to do with
the kingpin.
And the kingpin. That makes sense. That actually makes sense. I looked up online and it kept 7, 8. I don't remember the size, but I was like, why does it keep mentioning that? But
I was gonna read up on all your stuff and upgrade the brake booster, the master cylinder, the Explorer stuff.
It was the best thing I ever did. The only thing I might do is add like a vacuum canister.
Yeah.
Like, because like that's the only thing I don't care for on vac, because it matters. Like, and if you have a cam or anything like that, then you can't. So
that truck's just pretty much stock 390.
I have fun with mine.
Yeah.
I might put a T5 in it, man. But do you have any other Broncos?
We've got several. I mean, I've got nothing to really speak of.
Yeah.
We've got an old it's not a parts Bronco. It's a pretty rare freewheeling Bronco that we're wanting to fix up one of these days. But
that's cool.
But yeah, I just was born and raised with Ford trucks, and it's what I've had the best luck with. So.
Raised right.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Well, hey, man, thank you so much. I'm glad I was able to run into you out here, buddy. I really appreciate it. Yeah. See you guys.
Take care.